A very good morning to all of you, and welcome to Pre-Bell with Team William O'Neill India. Today, October 9, 2023, and a clear disclaimer that the registration granted by the SEBI, the membership of BSL, and certification from NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of the return to investor. Investment in the security markets are subjected to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Okay, so let's begin with Nifty 50 setup. So I think the Friday was a bit positive for the market as we closed above the 50 DM. So there is a red line over here is the 50-day moving average, and the closing that day was above that level. So broadly, it just remained 3 days below the 50 DMA or reclaim कर लिया. But the only red flag that we saw while on this Friday's movement was the volume. So volume was super low. I think, yeah, just that 150 around the level, while the average is around 275 and all. So volume काफी कम था, and that is what been an issue on the Friday session 50 DMA reclaim. क्योंकि जब भी ऐसा कोई मेजर मूविंग एवरेज रिक्लेम होता है, कोई ब्रेकआउट होता है, ऐसा जब होता है, then you want that the volume is generally higher. ठीक है, इतना लो तो that becomes very tough. But now let's see what happens from here. Ideally, the most important part is holding 50 DMA now. Okay, so if we hold the 50 DMA level, we can see the further uptrend. The second thing is to reclaim the 21 DMA. So this green line around 750, 800 is the 21 DMA. So if we reclaim that level on a higher volume, then that will be positive. So अभी मतलब broadly देखो ना तो नीचे में 600, ठीक है, और ऊपर में 800, ये वाली रेंज पक बनती है निफ्टी के लिए, ठीक है. So you want Nifty to find support near 600, and there is a possibility that around 800 there can be resistance. So whichever side we go, there is a possibility of a momentum on that side. So that was about the Nifty 50 setup. And yes, the distribution day count that tracks the weakness in the market is at 4. With distribution days when the market is down 0.2% on a volume higher than previous session. तो ऐसा 4 बार हुआ है in last 25 days. So we track these things in last 25 sessions only. उसके पहले के distribution days are not valid. Okay, so yes, there are some positive news in the big stocks. Firstly, the TCS to consider the buyback. Reliance, the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority subsidiary will invest around 5,000 crore in retail ventures, and a subsidiary of Reliance Industry for an equity stake of 0.59%. So I think the both news are good. And Titan, the Q2 was very good. So overall revenue growth was more than 20%. The jewelry division grew 19%. The wearables grew 32%. And there was a 12% YOY increase in eye care segment. The company has added 81 stores. So this is a good number during the quarter, and the store count in retail is now more than 2850 stores. Adani Green's energy subsidiary Adani Solar Jaisalmer 2 Private Limited completed the commission of entire 150 megawatt solar project at Rajasthan. अभी total जो capacity है that has increased to 8404 megawatt for the Adani Green. So इनका execution is always really good. I think the green ka execution has been very quick and good. So that is what reflected in the Rajasthan as well. If you look at the global market, so Friday was a very good day for the global market, especially the US indices were almost up 1%. Dow and S&P around 1%, and Nasdaq was up 1.6%. Today, Nikkei and Kospi is closed, while Shanghai is down around 0.6%. So SGX, the gift Nifty is trading around 19,642, which is very close to our Friday's closing level. अभी ये फ्राइडे को तो 770 तक चला गया था. I think when US market was strong on Friday, this level, the closing on Friday was 19,770 for Gift Nifty. But I think all of you might know the updates that came yesterday over the weekend from the Gaza, Israel, Palestine. उनका जो अभी चालू हुआ है हमास के साथ इजराइल का, ऑलमोस्ट अ वॉर डिक्लेयर्ड हुआ है. And there has been huge fireworks both the side. So let's see how it impacts the market and what all factors needs to be considered. So it is an important area. But the most important part is कि कोई other country उसके साथ नहीं होना चाहिए. If the conflict is between two countries and if there are signs that it might end soon, then market might not react that negatively. But if more countries get involved in this, like not directly no country gets involved anywhere, but हाँ तो थोड़ा crude पे, gold पे that might impact, and the crude impact is directly impacting Indian equity market क्योंकि सीधा अपना inflation पे और margin पे hit करता है crude oil का prices. So crude is again above 90 now. So let's see where the things goes. So let it unfold. And I think more than story, अभी कहीं से भी आप स्टोरी लाइन पकड़ के सोचोगे कि मार्केट में ऐसा होगा, ऐसा गैप डाउन, इतना ये वो, then that doesn't work. So in this scenario, the best friend in the market is the trend. आप लेवल्स देख लो, जैसे कि निफ्टी में 50 DMA 600, ठीक है, उसके नीचे प्रीवियस लो जो अभी का है 200 350 की रेंज में. तो these are the two levels you need to watch out in Nifty. राइट. ऑन द फ्लिप साइड, इफ यू हैव गुड पोजीशन इन स्टॉक एंड कोई स्टॉक आप होल्ड करते हो उसमें पोजीशन है, देन लुक फॉर द की मूविंग एवरेजेस लाइक 21 DMA 50 DMA. अगर आपका स्टॉक की मूविंग एवरेज हायर वॉल्यूम पे ब्रीच करता है, देन वॉर है या नहीं है, ठीक है. यू नीड टू बुक प्रॉफिट, कट लॉसेस, कुछ एक्शन लेना चाहिए, ठीक है. एंड इफ योर स्टॉक इज होल्डिंग वेरी वेरी गुड एंड वहां पे जो भी हो रहा है इसराइल में, then it is not that you need to be panic and you need to move out of your stock या फिर ऐसे short sell मार दो यार. This is not a correct way, but I think respecting the level is the best way to fight in this war from your end. So this is what the best thing you can do. Lastly, the stock of the day, the last part, Escorts Kubota. It is forming a stage 2 flat base. There was a very good run up after the first stage breakout. It was the cup with handle, and अच्छा run up के बाद now it is forming the flat base and it is 4% to pivot. There was some fall over here, right? But अभी last में अभी आप देखो तो accumulation has been very good and the stock is holding its 21 DMA, the green line, वो उसको hold कर रहा है. So overall last couple of quarter results have been good. ठीक है, fund holding decent है. And the story is very good for Escorts. The growth drivers are really good. The tailwind is good. Both two-wheelers, tractors, dono front पे the numbers have been coming decent and they are expected to remain good. So overall it's a good stock, but let's see how it breaks out और ये 4% की जर्नी वो कैसे करता है and breakout कितने वॉल्यूम पे होता है. So that's it for today's session. Thank you for joining. See you